I broke the endless cycle of setting goals and actually never reaching them just by doing this one thing. If you have ever felt like your goals seem impossible to reach, girl, let me tell you, you're not alone in this because I've been there too. But let me tell you something that absolutely changed my life. The problem is not you or your goals, it's the way you are approaching them. The thing is that most people focus so much on the end goal that they forget the real secret to success. It's all about the systems and the small actions that we take every single day. And that's what we're gonna be talking about today, the power of systems. We have to forget the pressure of constantly being focused on the end goals because the magic happens on those tiny, consistent actions that we take daily. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I shifted my mindset and how I stopped obsessing over big goals and started focusing on the habits and systems that actually got me where I wanted to go. Trust me when I say that this will absolutely change the way you approach things in your life, whether you're working on your health, on your career, or your personal growth. This approach will set you up for success with each step. So stick with me because by the end of this video, you're gonna have a clear, actionable roadmap to turn any dream into a reality. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Does it sound familiar to you to set goals and sooner than later feel overwhelmed by them? Well, if that's your case, let me tell you that it has happened to me too, endless times, and I will give you a simple example. A couple of years ago, I set a goal to get in the best shape of my life because I wanted to lose some weight, and I had this vision in my head to being super fit, energized, and confident. And the first couple weeks I was so excited about it, but I often found myself looking in the mirror and getting discouraged because I wasn't seeing what I wanted. And that was exactly the problem. I was so focused on the body that I envisioned that I didn't put any thought on the little things that I needed to do every day to get where I wanted to go. Obviously, I wasn't enjoying the process and eventually it ended up turning into a nightmare. I started skipping workouts here and there, ordering takeout, and eventually after a few weeks, I gave up. And that's when I realized I was missing something and I was focusing my attention on the wrong thing. And I realized something really important. Goals don't create results, your habits do. That being said, let me tell you what you have to do to successfully achieve your goals and what changed the game for me. Instead of telling yourself, I want to achieve this goal, start by shifting your mindset to focus on the systems and the daily actions that will lead you there. You have to start learning how to enjoy the process and not waiting for the end goal to enjoy the result. And for that, we're gonna break it down in smaller and more approachable tasks that eventually will get us where we want to go. What works best for me personally is making myself these 2 questions regarding each of my goals. What small actions can I do every day? And what systems can I create to make those actions easier? You answering these 2 questions will help you first break everything down into smaller things so it's easier for you to do and process, and also it's going to give you a plan on how to go about each goal. Now let's break down these 2 questions so I can explain better and give you some examples. I don't know about you, but I used to think that success came out of these huge dramatic efforts, but the reality is that it comes from showing up every single day even if you don't feel like it. When it comes down to small actions you can do every single day, the key is to align them with your overall goals and make sure they're as easy as possible so you can stay consistent with them. The beauty of these is that they feel so manageable, but they lead to big results if done consistently. So, start by picking one or two actions that are aligned with your goals and focus on doing them every single day. Over time, they'll become habits that you'll naturally include in your routines, and later on, when you're used to those actions, you can set new ones. Basically, this is all about baby steps. Going back to the example I previously mentioned about my fitness journey, instead of sticking to a really demanding workout and a really restrictive diet, I started by taking smaller steps like drinking a glass of water every morning to start the day hydrated, going for a 10 to 15 minute walk after dinner or after lunch, prepping my meals beforehand so I didn't reach to junk food, or doing a small workout even if it was just stretching or a few push-ups. And after doing this for a few days and getting used to these actions, I would set new ones that follow the previous ones but that are a little bit more demanding. As you can see, these are really small things that just take a couple of minutes of my time, and they're not groundbreaking on their own, but when you stack them together and stay consistent, you better believe the results will come. Now let's talk about systems. Creating a system is designing your environment and routines to make those desired actions as easy and natural as possible. So, how can you create a system that works for you? Let me show you the step-by-step process that worked for me and that might work for you too. So, step number one is setting your goals and simplifying your environment. Now, I said that the important part of it is the process and the actions you take that lead to that goal, but obviously it's important to set something you want to reach so you know which steps you have to take during the process. As for simplifying your environment, what that means is that you should set up your space to encourage the actions you want to take. For example, if you want to stay hydrated, you can put your water bottle on your nightstand so when you wake up you have it right there. Or if you're trying to lose weight, you can keep on your pantry healthy snacks instead of chocolate or snacks that won't help your journey. Second step is breaking it down into smaller actions and making it ridiculously easy. Start making it as tiny as possible so that it's not a big effort on a daily basis. Let's say you want to start writing a book. So instead of starting with 1,000 words per day, stick to 100 words per day. The key to this is building the habit first and then increasing it. Third step is to plan ahead and track your progress. I highly recommend you to plan your day the night before or plan your week on the beginning of the week, because this will take a lot of pressure off of your shoulders. As for tracking your progress, I think this is so important because this helps keeping you motivated. There's a lot of apps that you can use for this nowadays, but if you prefer the old way, you can just put it on a post-it note or on a to-do list on a piece of paper. This is just up to you, but I highly recommend you do this because this will help you see those small wins add up. So the next step that I think is step 5 is creating a system that is designed for flexibility and adjust as you go. You know, life happens and rigid systems are not going to get you anywhere. So create something that is adjustable and that you can change without losing momentum. Some days you'll miss a step and that's totally okay, but that's important and what really matters is that you get back on track. And also don't be afraid to changes. That means that with time you're going to evolve and learn what works best for you. So don't be afraid if you need to make any adjustments to your system. And last but not least, the last step is make it enjoyable. Trust me when I say that if it feels like a chore, you're not gonna stick to it. So use your imagination and see how you can make it fun for you. By building systems that align with your goals and your lifestyle, you reduce the effort and the willpower that takes to take action. When your environment, your actions, and your tools are all designed to work together, you better believe success is almost inevitable. Trust me, when you start changing your mindset and focusing on smaller things, you're gonna reach your goals sooner than later without realizing it. You can grow a business, you can build better habits, you can improve your mental health, all by using systems. And the best part of it is that it's not going to feel overwhelming anymore. If you trust the system that you've put in place, you're not gonna feel stressed anymore every time you set a new goal. So there you go, the ultimate guide to successfully achieve your goals by focusing on systems and not on the end result. Remember, success isn't about making huge leaps. It's about showing up every day, building habits, and most importantly, trusting and enjoying the process. If this resonates with you, please let me know in the comments which system can you create today to move you closer to the goals you have. I would love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video and follow me in this channel if you like this type of content. Also, don't forget to share this video to someone that might be needing a little inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!